Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and in today's video, I'm going to go over the best video creator apps for your Shopify store. So these video creator apps are going to let you create almost any video, but they're going to make it really easy to edit specialized content, whether you're doing product ads, general Shopify store ads, retargeting ads. They'll make it really easy to create these custom videos, as without a video editing software, it can be quite difficult. So I'm going to go over several different options today, covering ones meant for your desktop, your phone, and ones you can use in a browser so you can use it from anywhere. So make sure you stay until the end of the video here. As for each of these apps, I'm going to go over their pricing, their features, and why you should be choosing it. Before I dive into it, I want to mention our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get real-time calculations so you can understand how profitable your store really is. It has an amazing dashboard with other detailed analytic reports so you can really understand how your store is performing and how much money you're actually making. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. And I'm also going to show a quick video here detailing all their features.
Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's dive into the first video editing tool today, and that's going to be v.io. So this one's going to be in the browser here, and this one has kind of blown up in the last few years as it makes it really easy to create videos with a very affordable pricing here. So it's fully featured here and it's not complicated. You don't have to download any specialized software. They have quite a few tools here, so if we go through them, you can get images to video, text to video, auto subtitles, makes it really easy to crop and merge items and convert different voices. And as we can see, it's used by quite a few companies here and well-known brands such as Spotify, Facebook, Disney, VaynerMedia, and Netflix. So it is a great overall tool, and it is quite affordable here. If we go to the monthly pricing, there is a free plan, but it is going to be watermarked. So you'd probably want to move to the basic plan here. So that's $24. This is Canadian here as well. You get 1080p, auto subtitles, unlimited file upload size, and you can upload a video or export a video to a length of 25 minutes, which is going to be more than enough for any product ads you're creating. They also have the resizability, so you can resize them to different platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. So they're going to be fitting properly and you can advertise on those platforms. So next we'll take a look at another online video editor, and that's going to be Canva. Canva is great for editing images, but they've really moved into the video editing game as well. So you can create all different types of videos. You can see TikTok videos, YouTube clip makers, stories, video intros, video collages. And it's a free video editor with powerful video editing tools. You can also add different music. You can create almost any type of video here. Canva is overall a super amazing tool, and it is free for the vast majority of use cases. So a great one I'm going to recommend here. It is super easy to use. I use Canva all the time. And if you're not using any premium assets or images, it is completely free. And they also have a ton of templates too, so it makes it really easy to start creating your very own videos. Next, let's take a look at iMovie. So if you're on a Mac here or an iOS device, you can download iMovie, and it's a pretty full-fledged video making tool. It may not have all the full features you're looking for to build custom product videos, but overall a pretty feature complete tool. And it is free, I believe, if you have a iPhone or a Mac here, so that is a really nice bonus. However, it is tied to an iOS device. Next, let's take a look at wave.video. So you can create quite a few videos as well, from live streaming, video editor, video hosting, video recording, and a stock library. So this can make it really easy to add a lot of custom animation and make those really customizable videos with quite a few templates. In terms of pricing, there is going to be a completely free plan again, but it is going to have a watermark. But if you go on the monthly $20 plan, you get a basic video editor and a stock library of 2 million plus assets here. So another popular choice for making videos. Next, let's take a look at Vimeo. Vimeo is also an extremely popular one. They actually do have their own Shopify app, so it makes for an easy integration. So you can turn your product photos into stunning videos that sell. So you can easily convert those product photos. So if you don't have any video footage to create social media ads or social media posts here, a lot of people really like this app here. It has a 4.5 star rating with over 550 5-star reviews. It is completely free to use. If you're looking to edit videos on your phone as well, there's an app such as KineMaster here. So it's professional video editing made easy, and it is available on iOS and Android here. So it makes it easy to add custom content, splice videos together, and make nice looking product ads here all on your phone, which makes it super easy as well. So this is going to conclude the video here on the top video creator apps to be used in conjunction with your Shopify store so you can start making high quality posts and product ads. Now we went over quite a few different video platforms here, ranging from free to monthly fees. This is all going to depend on what you're looking for and how complicated those video ads you are creating. I'll leave links to everything in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention our sponsor Profit Calc again, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store, making it really easy to understand how your business is performing and how much profit you're actually making. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial. So this is going to conclude the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next one.